I'm not quite sure what's going to happen over the next couple of weeks, couple of months. I was supposed to be going on holiday, but the caravan park has had a problem with trees. I don't know if it's the drought. It's an area that normally gets lots of rain, so I don't think it's a drought, but it might be. I don't know what the problem is, but anyway, the holiday will be at some different time, so I won't be doing pre-recorded shows for next week or the week after, but for some unknown time or date in September or possibly October. So all my plans are up in the air, and I don't really know what's going on. So the good thing is I can go to the Exeter Street Arts Festival Saturday week, so there'll be more information. If it had had to be a pre-recorded show next week, I don't really know much about what's happening during the Street Art Festival, but next week though I should know a bit more about it, so that's a good thing. But the downside at the moment is in September there's a couple of things going on about print and PDF which I'm interested in, and I think I might raise that as a topic now because I might not be here late September. Not sure, just don't know what's going on. So there's an event at the NEC in Birmingham, 23rd to 25th. Print, I can't remember the name of the actual show. Print show, I think is what it's called. And then there's PDF Days, PDF Association. Portable document format is a very techy. Well, it's not that. It's pretty mainstream now, but it's possibly getting better with AI as it goes on, or better or worse for whatever direction you'd like to think of it as going in. There's more potential. So I think not only can radio or combinations of sound become much more flexible, but print production, the book, will suffer the same fate. That's to say, I could get, let's say, Google Notebook or some similar system. It might not just come up with a podcast. It might come up with the text of a book, new illustrations for the book. It could do the podcast version of it, whatever, as well. But it might also come up with a portable document format file that's exactly right for a book printer. I think it's still called the job definition format. There's a file inside the PDF which has messages for the guillotine and the plate makers, and I think the way AI is going, if it's not possible in September this year, by next year it'll be possible, and we'll certainly go to the Adobe stand at BET and ask why it wouldn't be possible, and they'll say, well, actually we only know about video, you'll have to come back another time or go to another Adobe stand. I'm making that up, but you can tell it's still a bit vague, but essentially I shall raise this possibility, and somebody who knows about the PDF event round about the 17th of September might well agree with all kinds of possibilities, and somebody at the NEC between the 23rd and the 25th will explain why it's a little bit more complicated, or maybe not. Anyway, I'm suitably confused about when my holiday is, but I definitely need one. And here is Michael Gray, Another Holiday, Club Mix.